हेलो फ्रेंड्स, तो कैसे हैं आप सब। आज मैं आप सबको आपके पीसी पे YouTube पे कोई भी वीडियोस में एड ब्लॉक करना सिखाऊंगा। सो जस्ट फर्स्टली ओपन योर गूगल क्रोम ब्राउज़र इन योर पीसी एंड देन सर्च इट फॉर गूगल वेब स्टोर। Then click on this chrome.google.com link of Chrome Web Store and search it for ad block for YouTube. For this, I wanna show you that on YouTube there is very ads. Just see. Here is ad. Just see this. After that, come on your Chrome web store and just click on ad block for YouTube trademark plus anti pre-roll and then download it to your browser. Just click on add to Chrome just read it and then click on add extension. After this ad block has been added to your browser. After that, this pop-up comes and just read it and click on yes, continue. Then open new tab and on the top right corner click on this extensions button and pin it and pin ad block for YouTube. Here you can see this. Just click on ad blocking and annotations blocking and now open YouTube and see here is not at all ads. There is not any of the advertisement. So that's how it is easy to block any of the unwanted and useless ads on YouTube. So I hope you all like my video. Thank you for watching this and supporting me.